Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll see how to install Xiaomi Mijia Sterilization Humidifier and examine its options in MiHome app. But first, let's pour in some water. And now would be a good time to plug it into the AC. Okay, supposing you have MiHome ready, tap the plus button at the top right to add new device. You will be presented with a list of devices you can add. We can search for the device in the list, so we can just type humidifier, but most of the time MiHome is smart enough to find the device on its own, as you can see. So select the device either from the list or from found devices and you will be presented with a screen to connect to the Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi SSID and type in your Wi-Fi password. The device will be connected immediately and the extension for the device will be initialized. Now is the time to choose the room the device is in. You can also give it a unique name in case you have several devices of the same type. New in recent versions of MiHome, you will be given an option to either share the device with your friends or family or to share the whole MiHome app. On the screen, you can see the current level of humidity as measured by the humidifier. Below you'll see the button to turn the humidifier on and off, schedule start and stop, and turn off LED light and notification sounds. Now let's see the other settings. First is the device name and below it is the location, which we already set. Then there is option to create automations and option to update the firmware. In additional settings, you can display network info, set security password, or add shortcut to the home screen. So let's update the firmware. Unlike some other Xiaomi devices, this one updates pretty quickly. Note that the humidity level shown on the main screen will be slightly different than that from a standalone Aqara or Mijia sensor located elsewhere in the room. Let's turn it on. You can choose from low, medium and high setting or special mode for constant humidification in which you can select the level of humidity you want to maintain. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.